Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to update your computer software, why it is important, and how you can do it in a simple and safe way. Updating your computer software is one of the easiest and most effective ways to keep your computer secure, fast, and reliable. Many people overlook updates, but they play a huge role in protecting your personal data, fixing bugs, and even improving the overall performance of your computer. So, what does updating your software really mean? When you update your software, you are installing the latest versions of applications, drivers, and operating systems released by developers. These updates often include security patches, new features, and stability improvements. Without updates, your computer may become vulnerable to viruses, malware, and other threats. That is why updating is not just optional, it is essential. There are different types of updates, and it is important to understand each one. Operating system updates, like Windows updates or macOS updates, ensure that your computer is running on the latest version with important fixes and enhancements. Application updates, like those for browsers or productivity tools, keep your programs safe and fully functional. Driver updates make sure your hardware devices, such as printers, graphics cards, or sound systems, are working properly. Regular updates across all these areas help your computer perform at its best. Before we continue, let me pause for a moment. Please subscribe to my channel so you can always stay updated with useful technology tips and tutorials. Also, do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below about what you would like me to cover next. Finally, turn on notifications so you do not miss my next video. Now, let us continue. The process of updating your computer software is straightforward, but it varies depending on your operating system. On Windows, you can check for updates by going to the Settings menu, clicking Update and Security, and selecting Windows Update. From there, you can see if any updates are available and install them immediately. On macOS, you can go to System Preferences, then Software Update to download and install the latest updates. Both systems often allow you to set updates to install automatically, which is highly recommended. For applications, most modern programs have built-in update features. For example, browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox usually update themselves automatically, but you can also check manually in their settings. For drivers, you can often update them through your computer manufacturer's support website or by using tools provided by the hardware company. If you are a gamer, keeping your graphics card drivers updated is especially important for the best performance and compatibility with new games. Another key point is backing up your data before major updates. Although updates are generally safe, sometimes unexpected errors can occur. Backing up your important files ensures you will not lose valuable data if something goes wrong. You can use external drives, cloud storage, or backup software to keep your files secure. Updating also saves you from performance issues. Outdated software may cause your computer to freeze, crash, or run slowly. By installing the latest updates, you ensure that the programs and the system itself are optimized to run smoothly. This is particularly important if you rely on your computer for work, studies, or creative projects. Some people worrying that updates take too long or might cause new problems. While this can occasionally happen, developers release follow-up patches quickly if issues are reported. The benefits of updating far outweigh the risks. Delaying updates leaves your system open to attacks and technical issues that can be avoided. Another tip is to schedule updates at a convenient time. Many systems allow you to pick when to restart your computer and complete the update process. This means you can avoid interruptions when you are in the middle of something important. Setting a regular schedule helps you maintain consistency without having to think about it each time. We have now covered why software updates matter, the types of updates you should be aware of, and the step-by-step process for both Windows and macOS. We have also discussed application and driver updates, backup strategies, and ways to avoid delays or interruptions. Following these steps ensures your computer remains safe, secure, and fast. As we wrap up, I want to remind you again. Please subscribe to my channel so you can always get the latest technology tutorials and computer tips. Also, do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and comment below with your thoughts and experiences about updating your computer software. Finally, turn on notifications so you do not miss my next video, and thank you so much for watching.